never did I imagine that I would be able to bring the motor company to my hometown of Savannah, Georgia. Yo, this is freaking awesome. Big Larry, what's going on, Papa Bear? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. You alright? You alright?
Yeah.
You looking like a superstar. Look at you.
It's a good dude right here, man.
You're a great guy. Thank you.
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Appreciate it. All right. It's a great dude. I like this guy. Thank you.
All right. Take care. All right. Look at you looking like a superstar. New sunglasses on and everything. What's up, big man? You all right?
Yeah, man.
Got you. You sure don't ain't nobody got that, man.
Look at the back.
Yeah, I've seen it. I bought the shirt. So, we are in Atlanta, Georgia, the capital of Georgia, and we got something pretty big happening right now. Yeah, how you feel?
I feel great, man.
You want to? Well,
Once in a lifetime deal here.
Once in a lifetime deal. So, I think this is pretty awesome. Get a chance to experience this with my dad. Hopefully, hopefully he'll remember it, but I don't know. You be forgetting stuff sometimes. But yeah, we here.
Yeah.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah. See this bench thing?
I'm your location guy.
Hey, Larry.
Hey, Larry.
Larry.
Yeah. It's easy.
Yeah. So I had a BMW 1200 for about 5 years. Touring bike and rode everywhere with it and stuff.
Sweet.
I got a little old, got a little weak, a little skinny, so I said, okay, I'm out.
Right. Nah, no problem. You can definitely still ride. I heard they make trikes too.
What's that?
I heard they make trikes as well.
Oh, well, you're not thinking about that.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it pretty comfortable? Is it comfortable?
Oh yeah. They steer different because you're not leaning. You pretty much steer with like yeah. So it's pretty
Great. I'm not going to be not some daredevil.
yeah.
Yeah.
That thing's got to have a reverse.
Oh yeah, they do. Think about it, Dad.
Yeah.
That's you?
Yeah.
You can get you one of these? So we just finished up this scene here, this location, on the way to another one. So, how you feeling, Dad?
I feel good.
Feel good?
Loving it, baby.
Loving it.
Loving it.
How you feeling so far, though?
I feel great.
So what you think about the new Rogue 3?
I'd like to have it. Take it home with me.
We shot some more scenes, then we went in for the evening to get ready for tomorrow morning. So we're in Savannah finally doing this thing, and it's pretty cool, man. Big Larry's back there being somewhat of a celebrity and everything. I think they're back there somewhere. Yeah. So it's actually pretty dope. So he's excited, I'm excited. And we get a chance to show the rest of the world my hometown, Savannah, Georgia, which is a pretty historical place, if you don't mind me saying. If I don't mind saying, yeah. So we're about to check out some more Savannah, shoot some more scenes and sights and sets, whatever. And yeah. How you feeling?
Good, man.
How do you feel to be in your hometown, sharing Savannah, Georgia with the rest of the world? Harley-Davidson.
Feel good because I'm with my son. Sharing it with my son. That's the most important.
Who? That's who? You who?
My son.
Just pull it up.
Okay. Fair enough. So I've had an awesome time hanging out with my dad, riding with my dad, doing things that he and I both would never have imagined that we would have done or we would do. So it's been pretty dope, man. I'm grateful. I'm extremely grateful. Grateful that my wife let me come and do this. Grateful to the motor company, Harley-Davidson Motor Company, and all the people involved, man. And you know, I'm super grateful. Like, there's a huge list of names that I can like thank. Like to thank Matt Taylor, Chris Nelson. Oh man, like a whole bunch of other cool people. But never did I imagine that I would be able to bring the motor company to my hometown of Savannah, Georgia. Yo, this is freaking awesome, man. So grateful for this opportunity. It's awesome to spend time with my dad riding to experience this stuff. So, and met my dad's buddy of my dad's, who is the police officer on this shoot. He and my dad were in the academy together 30 some odd years ago. Oh. So basically we're at the end of this shoot. It's been an awesome experience. Me and Big Larry. Man, what do you think, man?
I've had a wonderful time, man.
A wonderful time?
Yeah, man.
So
Something I never thought I'd be able to do, but it was nice.
So how you feel?
I feel great.
Feel great?
Yeah.
So you've been doing all right with health-wise and all that kind of stuff?
Yes.
All right, okay, cool deal. Thanks for everything, guys. Now it's time to wait a few months for the stuff to be released. So I'm just getting home, and a buddy of mine hit me to tell me to go look at the Harley website. Hey, everybody. So yeah, call my dad on WhatsApp right quick.
What do you want me to look up? I think I got it open up now. The Wi-Fi is weak.
All right, so go to www.harleydavidson.com.
Harley-Davidson.com.
Yeah.
All right.
So go to bikes. You at the Harley-Davidson website?
Yeah.
Show me the screen.
You see it?
click right there. Turn it around. Click right there, that thing that said Harley-Davidson. All right, see right there at the top screen where it says bikes. Click on bikes. New motorcycles. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Scroll all the way down.
Keep going?
Yes. Click on Road Glide 3.
Uh-huh.
Now, you see that right there? Who is that on? Who is that?
That's Lee.
Okay, I can't see you, Dad. I can't see you. Who?
That's all right. That's all right. Come here. Look at me on the website. You see me riding? Left downtown Atlanta. You see me?
I see it.
That's all right.
You ain't gonna be telling nothing now. He a superstar.
You couldn't even tell him before he got the limo.
Yeah.
All right.
Yo, grab your laptop, please. I don't know.
Yeah, I
What the
like
fuck
that,
is
man. Talking about the computer. I gotta update the computer. I ain't had the computer on in a while.
Just cancel it. Don't do it. Just cancel it.
Look at that old man. That's all right.
For some reason, not playing on his laptop.
Can you send it to me? Can I put it up on my phone?
Man, Dad, look at you. Woo, hoo, hoo, hoo.
So is yours on there yet?
I don't know.
You want to see?
Yeah, yours. You gotta go to the other motorcycle.
Let me see. We go to let's go to bikes. Let's go to motorcycles. New motorcycles. Let's go to Grand American Touring. Let's go to Road Glide Limited. Oh, wait a minute.
Okay.
You see your boy?
Okay. All right. Look at you on the Harley website. Okay, Larry. Look at you.
You see
look
me.
handsome too.
Come on.
Deanna,
Yes.
you proud of us?
Yeah, I'm very proud. Can I share this?
Mm-hmm.
Really cool. So you gonna be on there for the year?
Pretty much for the year. We
That's dope.
on the website for the year, Dad. So we gonna have to do some appearances and stuff, whatever.
Man, that looks real good, man. That looks real good. I'm proud of us. I'm proud of you, man.
I'm proud of you too, Dad. You feeling all right? How you feeling, Dad?
See, I can't stop smiling.
You can't stop smiling.
That looks good, man. That's the restaurant right there. We ate at.
Yeah. So tell me what you feeling, Dad.
I feel good. I feel real good. That's a real accomplishment, man. I mean, thanks to you, I would never got a chance to do something like that if it wasn't for you, man. You know. I appreciate the fact that you included me in it. You know,
Please.
you get into it and you thought about the old man and brought the old man in on it. Now, I like it, man. I like it. Now, the only thing I need to do now, you need to get on the bikes and ride somewhere.
Yeah, I mean, you know.
I'm ready to ride now.
You ready to ride?
Yeah, man. I'm gonna go to Daytona.
So you trying to ride the Daytona, or you trying to trade the Daytona?
No, I'm trying to go ride the bike for Daytona. Come meet you and ride down 95 with you on the bike going to Daytona.
Wait a minute. Me on the bike? On your bike? So you mean
You on your bike, I'm on mine. You and yours and I'm on mine.
Oh,
On
okay.
Daytona.
I thought you want me to ride on your bike with you.
No, sir. That ain't happening. Hey, D.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
You
That makes
happy?
me feel real good.
Oh, I'm glad.
Man, that's making me feel so good.
Check out that Road Glide Limited again.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can I get some sugar?
Mwah.
Hey, I'm proud of you, man.
Proud of you too, Dad.
Well, let me go. I'll call you back in the morning.
All right.
All
All right, Dad. Good night.
right?
All right. Love you, Dad.
Love you.
Love you too.
Love you, Deanna.
Love you too. Bye.
All right.
Good night.
All right, Dad.
All right.
I remember my dad first taking me into like Savannah Harley-Davidson, like when I was a kid, on like the west side off of at the time it was called West Broad. Now it's called MLK. Honestly, it may have been every bit about 84, maybe 85. Like it was really early 80s that I remember him taking me into like a Harley-Davidson dealership. And of course, you know, all we did at the time was just look around. From 84, 83, 84, whatever, to him getting his first motorcycle at 64 or 5 almost in 2015. That's a long time. How you feel?
Yeah, I feel good. How do you feel? This is you. You on the site.
First the Cat Williams interview. Now my dad and I pop up on the Harley-Davidson website. Man, 2024 is going to be freaking awesome. I want to thank the Harley-Davidson Motor Company for inviting my dad and I to be a part of the launch for the 2024 models. He never would have imagined doing anything like this. I never would have imagined either. I'm extremely grateful for the opportunity. I know my dad is extremely grateful. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Build Ride Repeat. If you like family stuff, motorcycle stuff like this, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, have the notification button all clicked and all that kind of stuff. And my dad and I will see you all on the highways and byways of North America, and maybe somewhere internationally. I don't know. We'll see. Again, thank you. Thank you, Harley-Davidson. Thank you to my wife. Oh man. Thank you to everybody. I am extremely grateful. Like, I don't know what to say. Like, I can definitely talk about it, whatever, but like, I'm grateful. So thanks again, and thanks for tuning to this episode of Build Ride Repeat. I'm Larry, and I'm your model or your rider for the 2024 Road Glide Limited, and my dad is model / rider for the 2024 Road Glide 3. So thanks for tuning to this episode of Build Ride Repeat, and see you on the next one. I would have never imagined this. Like,
I'm proud of you.
thank you, dear. You see them boys.